Hello everyone, welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this simple 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with its drawing. See, this is the drawing. Note all the dimensions are in millimeter. We will start by making this bottom flange. See, the circle is 34 mm and also this top line is 123 plus 42 mm. And also from this center to the top line, the distance is 42 mm. And also this line length is 12 mm. And also this corner radius is 28 mm. So go to SolidWorks, open a new part file, click OK. Now select here front plane and sketch. Now draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 34 mm. Click OK. Just zoom out. Now go to Line Command. Draw lines like this. Now go back to this point and this will convert the line into an arc. See? Now again line and up to this point. Click OK. Now select this line, press the Ctrl key and select this line and make relation equal. Click OK. Now select this point and make relation tangent. Click OK. See, this is also tangent. Now one more important relation. Select the circle, press the Ctrl key and select this arc and make relation concentric. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. From this point to this line, the distance is 42 mm. And also this line is 12 mm. And now this corner radius is 28 mm. Also from this point to this center, the distance is 123 mm. Distance from this point to this point is 42 mm. Click OK. Again go to Line Command and join from this point to this point and escape. See, now our sketch is fully defined. Go to Features, select here Extruded Boss Face, select this top face, select here midplane and type 66 mm. Click OK. Now select the same sketch, select here Extruded Boss Face. This time select this face and select here blind and type here 12 mm. And also select here offset and type here 33 mm. See, this is outward. We want inward, so reverse the direction. See, now click OK. See, now we want this on the other side as well. So go to mirror, select here front plane and features to mirror, select here this last option and click OK. See, now go to drawing. Now we will make this slot. See, distance is 36 mm and also the inner hole is radius 7.5 and the outer is radius 12.5 and also from this center to this line distance is 42 mm and later on we will extrude up to 8 mm. So go to SolidWorks. Now select this top face and sketch. Select here center point straight slot. Go to Smart Dimension. From this center to the outer line, the distance is 42 mm. And also this radius is 7.5 mm. And also this line is 36 mm. Click OK. Now go to Offset Entities. Select this line. Type here 5 mm and select here Select Chain and click OK. Now go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Select this face and extrude up to 8 mm and click OK. See, now go to same sketch, select here extruded cut and go to selected contour, delete this one and select this inner face and select here up to next and click OK. See, just zoom out. Now you can see. See, our slot is now made. Now go to drawing. Now we will make this feature. See, the outer circle is 48 mm and the distance from this center to the upper line is 45 mm. And also see, this distance is 9 mm and this outer distance is 9 mm. And also here is 9 mm and all this 9 mm. And also from this point to this point, the distance is 66 mm. These are the ribs and this ribs distance is basically 66 mm. And also the length of this circle is 55 mm. So go to SolidWorks. Now select here front plane and sketch. Also go to drawing and also from this line to this center point the distance is 50 mm. So again go to SolidWorks. Now select here circle and draw one circle like this. Now go to line command and draw lines like this. Escape. Again go to line command and join from this point to this circle. Now select this circle, press the Ctrl key and select this line and make relation tangent. Similarly, click OK. Select this line, press the Ctrl key and select this circle and make relation tangent. Click OK. Now go to Smart Dimension. Circle is 48 mm. And also this distance is 66 mm. And the distance from this center to the top line is 45 mm. And also the distance from this corner to the center is 50 mm. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Boss Base, select the circle, select here Midplane and type here 55 mm. Click OK. Now select the same sketch, Extruded Boss Base, select here Blind and type here 9 mm. And also select here Offset and type here 9.5 mm and select this one. See, this is 9 mm distance. Click OK. Go to Evaluate, select here Measure and select this face and also this face. And see, this normal distance is 9 mm. So cross this one. Now we want this on the other side as well. So go to Mirror, select here Front Plane and Features to Mirror, select this last option and click OK. Zoom to fit. Now we will make the inner circles. So select this face and sketch. Draw two circles. This is the center. Go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 34 mm. And the inner one is 20 mm. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extrude Cut, select this face, select here Selected Contour and select this inner face and cut through all. Click OK. Now select the same sketch, Extruded Cut, select here Selected Contour, delete this one and this time select here this face. Select here Blind and type here 6 mm and click OK. See, go to Drawing. See, this is 6 mm on the both sides. So go to Solidworks. We want this 6 mm depth on the other side as well. So go to Mirror. Select here Front Plane and Features to Mirror, select here this last option and click OK. See, now Control 7. This is our isometric view. You can also give some appearance. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.